Hi guys! Ang topic natin today is trade discounts and cash discounts. Trade discounts. Marked down from the list price to encourage buyers to purchase. So, itong discount na to, itong trade discount, binibigay ng mga seller sa buyer para mas ma-encourage pa silang bumili. It is not recorded in the book of accounts. So, ibig sabihin, yung discount na binibigay ni seller kay buyer ay hindi na kailangan pang i-record sa book of accounts. So, let's have an example. In here, Rosie Company sold goods amounting to 5,000 at 10% trade discount. So, nakabenta daw si Rosie Company ng goods amounting to 5,000. Binigyan niya ng 10% discount si buyer. So, how are we going to compute? Si this price na 5,000, deduct the trade discount, which is 5,000 multiplied by 10%, so that is 500. So, ang invoice price na lang ay 4,500. So, yan lang yung i-record natin, si 4,500. Okay, this is how you record. Ang debit mo will be cash, which is 4,500. And then credit of sales, 4,500. Sold goods on cash. So, as you see here, even though ang price list is 5,000, at nagkaroon ng cash discount, ng trade discount na 10%, hindi na siya nag-reflect nung ni-record si transaction. Yung amount na lang na discounted ang nilagay dito. Okay, let's have another example. Rosie Bookstore quoted a price list of 250 pesos for each 12 books, less a trade discount of 20%. So, si Rosie Bookstore daw, ang kada libro niya ay worth 250 pesos. Then, nakabenta siya ng 12 books at ang discount nun ay 20%. So, how are we going to compute that? Ang list price is 250 pesos multiplied by 12 pieces. So, that is 3,000 pesos. Then, deduct the trade discount, which is 3,000 multiplied by 20%. So, that is 600. Now, ang invoice price na lang natin ay 2,400. Again, ito na lang ang i-record natin. Disregard the 3,000 and the 600. So, if we're going to record this one, the journal entry will be debit cash of 2,400 and credit sales of 2,400. Then, we can have an explanation of sold goods on cash. Even though 3,000 dapat, hindi na pinakita yon at hindi na rin pinakita si trade discount. Outright kung magkano lang yung invoice price. Okay, let's have another example having series of trade discounts. So, what it means is, hindi lang isang beses siya nagbibigay ng discounts. So, it could be 2 or more. Rosie Bookstore quoted a price list of 250 pesos for each 12 books, less a series of trade discounts of 20 and 10%. So, the same, ang 12 books, ang kada isa ay 250 pesos. But this time around, there are 2 trade discount. Ibawas daw muna si 20%, then after deducting the 20%, deduct again additional trade discount of 10%. So, ito ang computation. List price again, 250 pesos multiplied by 12 pieces. So, that is 3,000. Then, less the first trade discount, which is 3,000 multiplied by 20%. So, that is 600. So, now the balance will be 2,400. Now, let's apply the 10% additional trade discount. So, again, deduct the 10% But this time around, ibabawas mo na lang siya doon sa balanse, which is 2,400. So that would be 240. Ang 10% ng 2,400 ay 240. Now, ang invoice price natin is 2,160. Okay. Wag na wag nyong pag ang ganito ang problem, series of trade discount, yung pangalawa, i-multiply nyo si 10% doon sa balanse na, not doon sa list price, which is 3,000. Kasi magiging iba yung amount niyan sa invoice price. Okay? Also, hindi rin tama na ipag-add nyo tong dalawa. 20 plus 10, which is 30%, saka mo na lang dinirect na minultiply kay 3,000. Kasi iba din yung magiging amount niyan. This is an example. Okay, so 3,000 si this price, minultiply mo siya kay 30%, ang sagot niyan ay 900. Eh ito, kung makikita nyo, ang talagang naging trade discount lang ay 600 plus 240, which is 840. Kapag ganito ang ginawa nyo, lugi si seller. Ito kasi ang right amount ng trade discount. Okay, guys? Again, kapag nagre-record ng trade discount, ay ng ganitong transaction with trade discount, no need for you to record the trade discount transactions. Okay, to journalize that or to record the transaction, our debit is cash, which is 2,160, and then credit sales, 2,160. Our explanation, pwede na ang sold goods on cash. Again, reminder lang, pagdating sa trade discounts, whether single discount or series of trade discounts, no need na i-record yung discounted price. Just the invoice price. Now, let's discuss cash discounts. Discounts given by the company to encourage prompt payment. So, ibig sabihin nito, ito naman ang binibigay ng company ng mga seller sa buyer para ma-encourage nila na magbayad agad-agad si buyer. Also, it is recorded separately in the book of accounts. So, ibig sabihin, this time around, si cash discount, nire-record siya sa book of accounts or gino-journalize siya. Designated by the notation as 2/10, which means that the buyer may avail 2% discount if the invoice is paid within 10 days. Ito guys, this may vary. Basta ang parati nyo lang tatandaan, yung 2 dyan, ito yung represents the discount percent. And then, itong 10 naman, parang ito yung limit hanggang sa ilang days ka lang makaka-avail ng 2%. So, parang sinasabi dito, if si buyer makakabayad within 10 days, from the day na bumili siya, makaka-avail siya ng 2% discount. Cash discounts are called purchase discounts from the buyer's viewpoint and sales discount from the seller's viewpoint. So, kung ang nagre-record ng transaction, ang account title na gagamitin mo kung ikaw ay buyer ay purchase discounts. Kung ikaw naman ay seller, kung ire-record mo to, ang tawag naman sa cash discount ay, ang account title mo dyan ay sales discount. Okay, let's have an example. Here, on June 5, 2018, Sunsun Company sold goods with an invoice price of 25,000. Term, 2/10, net 30. The invoice price was paid on June 12 of 2018. So, explain lang natin. Nung June 5 daw, si Sunsun Company, nakabenta siya ng goods amounting to 25,000. Ang term, to 10. Ibig sabihin, kapag nakabayad si buyer within 10 days, bibigyan niya ng 2% discount. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng net 30, ang limit nun, si buyer have to pay within until 30 days lang with the full amount, the net amount. Yung invoice daw ay nabayaran noong June 12 of 2018. So kung bibilangin natin yan, from June 5 to June 12, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 days lang ang lumipas. 7 days, pasok siya sa 10 days na palugit. So, ibig sabihin, makaka-avail ng 2% discount si buyer. So, paano na yan? How are we going to compute? So, the invoice price is 25,000. Just deduct the cash discount. So, 25,000 multiplied by 2%, that is 500. Then, your net cash received is 24,500. Okay? So, how are we going to record that? Since, guys, dalawa yung date dito, June 5, 2018 at saka June 12, 2018, at both nung date na yon ay nagkaroon ng transaction, so dalawa din ang date ng journal entry natin. First, the June 5. June 5 kasi nagkaroon ng bentahan, right? So, what we're going to debit is accounts receivable, 25,000. And then credit sales of 25,000. Our explanation is sold goods on account. So as you see here, ang nangyari kasi nung June 5, nakabenta si Sansan Company. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng sales. But then, inutang sa kanya ni buyer. Kaya ang debit natin ay accounts receivable. In the explanation, in-emphasize natin na it is on account. Then we will have another recording on June 12, which is debit cash of 24,500 and then the sales discount of 500 and then the accounts receivable of credit na 25,000. Our explanation is collection on June 5 sale, discount taken. So, pagdating naman sa June 12, ang dinebit na lang natin na cash ay 24,500. Kasi yun lang naman talaga ang natanggap ni Sansan Company. Kasi nga, naka-avail ang buyer ng 2%. Si 2% cash discount ay 500. That's why nag-debit tayo ng sales discount na 500. And then, para masiro na natin si accounts receivable, credit natin siya. Okay, let's have another example. On March 23, 2020, Levy Company sold merchandise with 320 list price, trade discount 30%, credit term 115, net 30. So this time around, pinagsama ko na si trade discount at saka si cash discount. Noong March 23 daw, si Levy Company nakabenta ng merchandise amounting to 320,000. First, ang trade discount ay 30% and then nagkaroon pa ng cash discount na 1% if makakabayad ng within 15 days. Kapag ganito guys, may combination na ng sales discount at saka ng trade discount, parati nyo munang ibabawa si trade discount bago kayo mag-apply ng cash discounts. Okay? Let's have a computation. Isa pa pala. The invoice was paid on April 5. So, nabayaran daw yung merchandise noong April 5. So, kung kukwentahin natin yan, from March 23 to April 5, 13 days lang ang lumipas. So, si 13 days, pasok siya sa 15 days na term. Makaka-avail si buyer ng 1%. Okay, so for us to compute that, ang list price is 320,000. Ibawas muna natin si trade discount. So, 320,000 multiplied by 30%. So, that is 96,000. Then, our balance will be 224,000. And then, saka lang tayo magdededuct ng cash discounts or the sales discount. Sales discount of 1% will be multiplied on the balance, which is 224,000. So, that is 2,240. I-deduct mo yan doon sa balance na 224,000. So, now, ang net cash received is 221,760. So, ito ang cash na na-receive ni seller. Now, let's journalize. Again, dalawang date ang nag-appear, si March 23 at saka si April 5. So that means, dalawang transaction yung nangyari. Since dalawang transaction yung nangyari, dalawa din ang recordings. So the first one is the March 23. So for March 23, i-record down natin yung pagkabenta. So debit accounts receivable, 224,000. Credit sales, 224,000, and then explained by sold goods on account. Then, let's record yung pagkabayad noong April 5. So, for April 5, 2020, debit cash of 221,760. Debit sales discounts of 2,240,000. And then credit of accounts receivable, 224,000. Collection on March 23, sale discounts taken. Kung makapansin nyo po, doon pa lang sa March 23, even though ang list price talaga ay 320, since in-apply na si trade discount, hindi na pinakita yung naibawas na 30%. Outright, yung discounted price na siya. And then, pagdating naman dito, even though ang accounts receivable niya originally ay 224,000, hindi yun yung na-receive niyang amount ng cash. Kasi nga, nadagdagan tayo ng 2,240 na sales discount. Then, para masiro mo si accounts receivable, credit natin yung full amount. Okay? Sige, let's have another example. On March 23, 2020, Levy Company sold merchandise with 320 list price, trade discount of 30%, and credit term of 1:115 and net 30. So, same. Walang nagbago. Nagpautang si Levy Company ng 320,000, may trade discount na 30% at may credit term na 115, net 30. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito, si invoice was paid on April 10, 2020. So kung bibilangin natin kung ilang araw ang lumipas, from March 23 to April 10, 2020, ang lumipas na araw ay 18 days. So, si 18 days, hindi na siya pasok doon sa 15 days na credit limit niya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi makaka-avail si buyer ng 1% discount. Pag ganito, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangang i-apply si credit term or si cash discounts. Ang maa-apply mo lang dyan ay si trade discount of 30%. So, for situation like this, your computation will be this price of 320,000 less the trade discount of 30%. So, 30% multiplied by 320, that is 96. So, the net cash received will be 224,000. That's it. There's no other additional deduction for cash discount. So, if we're going to record that, again, ulitin ko, dalawa yung date. Kasi dalawa rin yung naging transaction. So that means dalawa din ang aking date na pag-journalan. So for March 23, debit accounts receivable of 224,000 and then credit sales of 224,000. Explanation, sold goods on account. Ulitin ko po uli. Even though 320,000 ang list price, ang ni-record lang natin ay 224. Kasi minus na natin si trade discount. At si trade discount ay hindi naman nire-record sa book of accounts. So no need na mag-reflect pa siya dito. Then pagdating ng April 10, 2020, we will have another transaction. But this time around, debit cash of 224,000 and credit accounts receivable of 224,000. Our explanation will be collection on March 23 sale. That's it. Tapos na. Hindi mo na i-reflect yung 1% kasi hindi naman siya naka-avail. So hanggang dito lang ang transaction. Yeah, so that would be all. Thank you. Kung may natutunan po kayo, please like and subscribe. Bye!